most important thing is for you to like what you do and dedicate yourself to study the projects. And when you like it, you develop a lot of experience, and you like the challenge of helping other people realize their dreams and fix their problem. So problem solving is a pretty important thing.
So my business employs the standards of BBB in a way that's repeatable and trainable. And we find that when we follow those basic, simple standards, like showing up when we say we're going to, answering the phone 24 hours a day, just providing that genuine good service that comes with this industry, makes it an easy ask for our customers to be happy with our service.
One of the most often written things about us on reviews is that we left their property cleaner than when we showed up. Always doing extra work for people, even though we don't tell them we're going to do that. And we don't ask for more money unless it's something major. If we notice a big cracked leader up in a tree, or another tree needs to come down, but 99% of the time we just do the extra work, and people are always happy, obviously.
Working in the office, one of my duties is to notify the customers of each step. That way they're not left in the dark, they know when we're coming, they know when they're getting a material delivery, and we're very upfront, honest, and communicative throughout the whole process. So I think that helps build a relationship from the very start, and we're able to deliver not only a lifetime product, but also a lifetime experience for our homeowners.